So you reverse the needle, and we'll do it with a vertical mattress this time. So small gap, we want to invert it. You have to do it with a bit of pace. We're going to do the other way of maneuvering the needle. So you go across, mount it straight away, pull your suture. So we just go like this, and it rotates. I'll do it one more time. So you don't puncture the skin, you'll see it bleed if it does, and you do it somewhere where it's really anesthetized in case you press a bit too hard when you're starting and you do puncture the skin. But it works perfectly well when your other hand is busy. Unlock the ratchet and just rotate. Go in directly in front for the vertical mattress. So the horizontal is next to, adjacent. The vertical mattress is in front. And I use it for like punctate gaps that I want to invert. I think if you do a whole wound of vertical mattress, it will just take too long, in my humble opinion. Leave your short end no more than 2 centimeters. I tend to go about 1.5, 1, 2. It loosens. I'm going to let the short end come back to where it came from. Pull the short end only. It closes again. And then we do a reef knot where we alternate the position of the long and the short. And then we cut.